your friends are exercising? Is this you? Haha, just kidding. Nobody's friends are exercising. Were you thinking about exercising today, but then you were like, nah? Do you wish you could work out from the comfort of your own couch? Do I have the solution for you? Couch Pilates! It's Pilates on your couch. Seriously, it's just Pilates on your couch.
Lie on your back, arms at your sides, knees bent. Pull your legs up and go into bicycle 10 times, each leg forward. Then 10 times each leg back. And hug your knees. Hold the right knee in, extend the left leg out, lift the shoulders, nod the chin down, single leg extensions 10 times on each leg. Going right into double leg extensions 8 times. And hug your knees. Send both legs straight up, lift the shoulders or keep the head down, scissors 10 times on each side. Lower the shoulders if they're lifted, going into double leg lifts 8 times. Lower your legs down, inhale arms up overhead, exhale roll up, touch your toes, and repeat for a total of 8 times. Pull your right knee in towards your chest and hold. Bend the left knee and plant the foot.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, day I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelmed. I think that I'm broken but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby you make me feel nervous. If I still have you I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Circles forward for 8. And reverse for 8 more. Turn the right toes down, draw a line up the bottom leg, kick up and straight leg down 6 times. And reverse for 6 more. Keep the leg straight, kicking all the way up and down for 6. Bend the knees, line up the soles of the feet with the back of the couch, clamshells 8 times, again making sure that the knees don't touch in between reps. Make your way to a seated position, feet together or legs crossed. Stretch over to the left. Then the right. Sitting up tall in a comfortable position, get long through the back, and then nod the chin down. Then up, down again, and back up. Turn the head side to side. Going into circles. And reverse. Tilt your head to the left. Here you can gently place your hand on your head for a deeper stretch. And then the right. Make your way to a comfortable position and take a nap.
That's good, eh?